Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road, record accidents, or capture crystal clear footage day and night, this video is for you. Today, I've picked the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, night vision, features, reliability, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F17 Plus Best 4-Channel 360-Degree Dashcam. The REDTIGER F17 Plus is a 4-channel dashcam that records front, cabin, rear, and side views simultaneously. It supports 2.7K front plus 1080p on 3 other cameras powered by Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. This dashcam is perfect for rideshare drivers, taxis, and family cars. The 360-degree coverage ensures no blind spots, while IR night vision keeps the cabin visible even in total darkness. The touchscreen, voice control, GPS, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi make it very user-friendly. Pros: 4-channel full 360-degree coverage. STARVIS 2 sensors with excellent night performance. IR night vision for cabin recording. Touchscreen and voice control. 128 GB card included. Cons: larger setup compared to basic dashcams. Premium price for casual users. If you want maximum coverage and safety, the REDTIGER F17 Plus is one of the best all-around dashcams in 2026. Number 2. IIWEY 4K 3-channel dashcam, best for plate clarity. The IIWEY 4K dashcam features 3 STARVIS 2 sensors, recording 4K front, 2K cabin, and 1080p rear with advanced HDR and night vision 3.0. What really stands out is Plate Tag AI, which significantly improves license plate readability, even at night or high speeds. The footage is sharp, colors are accurate, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS work smoothly. Pros: true 4K front camera, Plate Tag AI for plate clarity, excellent night vision performance, triple STARVIS 2 sensors, 128 GB card included. Cons: no 360-degree side coverage. App interface could be better. This is a great choice if image clarity and plate recognition are your top priorities. Number 3. Vantrue S1 Pro Max, best AI dashcam with ADAS. The Vantrue S1 Pro Max is a 2-channel dashcam offering 4K front and 2.5K rear, powered by dual STARVIS 2 sensors and enhanced with AI-based ADAS features. This model focuses on smart safety, including lane departure warnings and blind spot detection. The plate picks night vision, buffered parking mode, and support for up to 1 TB storage make it ideal for long-term users. Pros: AI-powered ADAS and BSD features, excellent 4K HDR video quality, strong night performance, 24-hour buffered parking mode, supports up to 1 TB microSD. Cons: no cabin camera, higher price than basic do-cams. If you want AI safety features and premium performance, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max is a strong contender. Number 4. Vantrue NS4, best 3-channel dashcam for rideshare. The Vantrue NS4 records front, cabin, and rear views with 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p resolution. It features STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, and IR night vision. This dashcam is extremely popular among Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. The Plate Picks technology enhances night recording, and the 24/7 parking mode ensures protection even when your car is parked. Pros: 3-channel coverage, excellent night vision with IR, voice control and GPS, reliable parking mode, supports up to 1 TB storage. Cons: No touchscreen, slightly complex setup. A reliable and proven dashcam for rideshare and family vehicles. Number 5. 4K 3-channel dashcam, best budget option. This 4K front and rear dashcam offers 3-channel recording, built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, HDR, and a free 128 GB micro SD card. For its price, this dashcam delivers impressive performance. The collision sensor, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode make it a great entry-level choice without sacrificing key features. Pros: affordable price, 4K front recording, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, free 128 GB card included, easy to install. Cons: build quality is average. App features are basic. Perfect for buyers who want solid performance on a budget. That's it for today's video. All the best dashcams of 2026 are linked in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.